Does it feel got some weight to it?
Yeah, I don't know. It's got some weight to it. Let's see. Here we go. Good luck. Yeah, no out of 5 auto yet. No out of 5 auto yet. And we still need one more manufacturer patch, right? 1, 2. We've only got 2 of the manufacturer patch autos. There should be one of those in here.
50 of those, and they're like the greatest players. Unbelievable.
There are 1. Oh, there's a big boy in here. That's probably it. Good luck, everybody. Last box of case number 2.
Yep.
Nice hands, feet.
What kind of throw was that?
You got brick hands.
You're a pitcher. What the hell?
Alright, here we go. Last box. Good luck, everybody. Luol Deng for the Bulls. Larry Bird. Celtics. David West. Hornets. Number to 25. Oh, we got 2 of these. Actually, we got 2 blue backs this time for the Bulls. Carlos Boozer. Number to 25. Our second blue parallel of the case. Kevin Martin for the Rockets. Magic Johnson. Golden Age. Look at that goatee. That's goatee magic right there. That's badass magic. He's even wearing a fucking cast. He's got a cast on his hand. Still throwing dimes. Cast on his hand, throwing dimes, winning games in your freaking face. Mora, you son of Mora, you should be kicked out of my room right now, Mora. That's HIV magic. That's what he said.
What?
Wow.
Yeah, you should be kicked out.
Wasn't HIV magic the MVP of the All-Star game that year, though?
Come on.
Wow.
It's magic. He has no HIV.
No haters. No haters.
Alright, we got a Derrick Rose case for the Bulls. First hit. We got this one in the first box. Shaquille O'Neal, or the first case, Shaq for the Celtics jersey. We got an auto. Did we get him earlier? Come on, no we didn't. Did we get him? Did we get him?
Who is it?
Maybe we got him in the other box, in the other case?
I bet. Is that Bernard King?
Yeah.
Yeah, that was the other case.
Oh, the other case.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's cool then. Bernard King for the Knicks. Got him in the other case, I guess. Bernard King. BT says 2 in this case. 2 in this case of Bernard King. I guess we did. I can't find the other one. Where's the other one?
You never see him, right?
Bailey Howell. Who's that? Kirilenko. Warwick. Oh, yeah, we did. Oh, it's a different kind, though. It's a different version. We got the gold mining one earlier. This is just the regular one. That was numbered to 99. We did get 2 Bernard Kings. We got a patch.
Oh, it says that.
Number to 199. Champion. 5-time champion. Right in your freaking face.
Shit.
Derek Fisher, manufacturer patch auto for the Lakers.
Fish. Fish.
The Fish. Numbered 31 of 199. Got a jersey card, Carlos Boozer for the Bulls, USA jersey.
Left.
And the last card is a jersey autograph of Andrew Bogut for the Milwaukee Bucks. Number to 199. And that is it for case number 2, which was definitely inferior to case number 1, but still had some nice hits.
Yes, that's a nice hit. No gigantic.
Thanks for watching. Peace.